And welcome back to my channel. It's me, Uzma. If you are a matriculation student like me, you know the struggle is real, especially with chemistry, biology and math. So today I'm sharing the best study techniques that actually help me survive this subject. Let's go into it. Let's start with chemistry. It's all about understanding concept, especially when it comes to topics like bonding, periodic table, trends or acid base. The technique number one, you should do the concept mapping. I use concept maps to connect ideas. For example, when I study the periodic table, I create my maps to show the trends like electronegativity, atomic radius, and ionization energy. The technique number two, practice with past year question. Practice is everything. I try to do at least 5 to 10 questions a day from past exam or tutorials. Trust me, it helps you understand the marking scheme too. The subject number two that I will to talk how to study is biology. Biology you can do in diagrams and storytelling. Biology is content heavy, right? So here's how I make it easier to remember. The first technique is draw diagrams. Don't just read, but draw. Especially for topics like the cell structure, DNA replication, or the digestive system. When I draw, I remember better. For technique number two, turn it into a story. I turn complex process into stories, like how enzymes are like case and substrates are locked. It's easier to remember when it's fun. Bonus tip is teach someone. When I teach my friend or pretend to teach my cat or any else, it helps me a lot to remember the topics that I study. For subject number three is math. Practice. Math is just like practice math perfect. Now let's talk about mathematics. There is no shortcut here. Just practice, practice, practice. Technique number one, understand the formula. Don't just memorize formulas, but understand where they come from. Once you know how to use them, solve your problem become faster. For technique number two, draw a variety of questions. Try questions with different difficulty level. Start with easy ones to build confidence, then move to medium or hard level. For technique number three, time yourself. I usually set a timer when I do exercise. It helps me manage my speed and prepare for real exam. So those are my favorite study techniques for chemistry, biology and maths. If you have your own hacks, drop them in the comments. I would love to learn from you too. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your study group. Good luck and keep going. Bye bye.